This is Julio Anta from Anta's Fitness and Self-Defense in Miami, Florida, bringing you some classes on children's functional training on behalf of Expert Village. Okay, now we're going to do some plyometrics on logs. This I picked up from my Shaolin Physical Conditioning. Okay, the Shaolin Temple did all types of functional training moves so these fighting monks would be fit to go out to war. First, we're going to start with plyometric jump into a horse stance on a log, and he flips, and again, and he flips. Now, if you want to make it easier, you could do it on a stool because the log moves, the stool doesn't. He flips and drops into a horse stance, a good kung fu horse stance. And let's take it back to the log so he can show it. The log is a lot harder. Go. You could see that the log moves, and if he's not light on his feet, he's going to fall to the ground. This is Shaolin Physical Conditioning workout.